Welcome, YouTubers, to the Clo Adventure channel. My name is Craig. We are going to be doing an unboxing today of a Sainlogic smart bird feeder. And it's a battery operated with a camera. And I think you'll really enjoy this. So when you get it, it's packaged real well. It's got the nice hard foam in it so it doesn't break. Comes with the perch for the bird and the unit itself. This here is a mounting bracket. This is a little bit of instructions and a way to hang it. So what this is this is a solar panel with a built-in camera. The camera is a 2 megapixel camera. It's a 1920 by 1080p camera with 15 frames a second. So it takes very nice pictures at such a close range. And what's nice about this is you can look at it on an app. It'll notify you there of a bird that's there. The battery is a very strong battery. It's a 5200 milliamp battery, and it's supposed to last 6 months in a normal mode, getting a little bit of sun. If you put it in a high lit sun area, I've had it in mine. I'm here in Michigan. We don't get that much sun here, and the battery has stayed charged. So that's a good feature. The little perch comes here, and if you look, it has small holes in it, and you can put other things such as a hummingbird feeder, and you could watch the hummingbirds come here. You could put a stake a half an orange in here and watch the Orioles come in. So you don't just have to have seed in here. You can put, if you like watching a certain kind of bird there, you can put their food here or mount it to the perch and watch them real nice. What comes in the package, in the little installation package, these are some straps. These straps will mount there and there, and they'll hang so that you can hang the bird feeder from a branch. You can mount it to a wall. Comes with some plastic screws and anchors. You can mount it to the wall. You can screw it to a tree. This again is another strap that you can use to hang if you don't want the big straps. Comes with 2 knobs, screw knobs, and what they will do is it will mount here on the bottom, put one here in the center. And the other one has multiple holes so that if you mount it to a tree, you can actually put it, if you wanted it to view from the house so that you could see it, and it didn't have a very, what you wanted to put it to, you can angle it to any way you want. And again, you just pick one of the holes in the bottom, screw it in. It'll mount to the tree that way, and now you can see it from your house. We're going to take this off just so that it sits a little nicer on the table here. It supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It will not do 5 gigahertz as of yet. And with the Wi-Fi, you can use it on an app. It's called Vico Home. We will do that a little later in the video. We'll load the app, connect the camera, and we'll take some pictures of some animals coming to it. The instructions here tell you all about the bird feeder. On the back side will tell you how to do the app, but again, we'll do that a little later in the video. Let's get this close. The camera, that's the camera. There's a microphone. There's a speaker in the back, which you have two-way audio, so that if you were to get notified on your app that something's there and you notice that a squirrel is there and that he's eating all your bird feed, you can actually talk to him and scare him away. There's also a siren. We'll show you that a little later in the video too. Of he's there. You can hit it. It sounds like a police siren, a wobbling, high-pitched noise, and it has an infrared light. Up there, and the very top piece here is a motion sensor. When you get it, peel off the little plastic. It'll improve your picture qualities. It does hold 2.1 or 2.4 liters of So as you can see, that's about halfway full. It'll take another one. And these containers here are 48 ounces. So you can, it'll fill up real nice. I'm using a corn, sunflower, and a little bit of bird feed mixed to it. So the what's coming through are very big pieces. And as the birds peck at them, it will come out. And what's nice is my wife has a lot of bird feeders, and they fill up, and the birds come here and they peck them, and they end up with a lot of it on the ground. Where here I've noticed it's got a little border here, kind of keeps them from flying all over the place. And as the birds pick them, there's not a lot to waste. So it does save on bird feed. So the app, which we're going to get into in just a moment, supports Apple and Android. And let's get into that right now.